Hi, everybody. My name is Nicole Boyle, and I am from a small town in central Pennsylvania. For those of you who may be familiar with Bucknell University, I live just about 15 minutes away from there. Some work experience that I have related to this field. I started out as an adult blended case manager for a county mental health agency. I did that for just about a year and a half, and last year I actually moved to a psychiatric rehabilitation facility, which is where I currently still work. Some personal things about me. I come from a very big family. I'm the youngest of six. I love to travel. My favorite place to go in the United States is Newport, Rhode Island. I've been there several times and I just think it's so beautiful. And how I feel about starting the online MSW program. I'm a little bit nervous. This is my first time doing a completely online program. In my undergrad, I had taken some online classes, but nothing that was fully online. So I am nervous, but I'm also very, very excited to be learning alongside all of you for the next 7 weeks. Thank you.